So hello and welcome back to the channel, and today something different, something crazy. We had a flooded car for parts, and this is how the engine looks after it was submerged. It's a 1.6 diesel engine from, I believe it was Bemax. Yeah, it's a Bemax, and that's crazy how much everything you have around the engine. The car was even worse than this. So as you can see over here, we're gonna disassemble the car and check out how it looks inside. So stay for the journey of discovering everything, how it looks after the car is under the water. Probably nothing here is for salvage, so most of this is gonna end up in the junkyard, in the junk and everything. But yeah, I'm kind of excited to check out. First we're gonna clean it up and then we start the disassembly, so stay tuned for that. Here we go. So after cleaning it a little bit, you can see you cannot clean this. It's crazy how much sand and everything is inside. Turbine probably dead, but we will see. Yeah, looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it a little bit more, take out all the plugs and electricity and the hoses, water and vacuum and all of this stuff, and then we're gonna continue with more. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting process in this one. Guys, look at this sand over here. There is so much sand here. But yeah, and yeah, if you're wondering, here, check this out. So it's even sand in the oil, so it's gonna be interesting. So yeah, let's continue. So we are getting closer and closer to removing everything. The turbo is down, the water cooler is out, the oil cooler I mean. As you can see over here, yeah, lots of stuff, and there is I mean, even if this was not, if it was not water damage, it would be damaged in some time. Closer, look at this, and oh, it's everywhere, but yeah, we're gonna continue dismantling, taking it apart, and we're gonna see what's up in the internal. Is gonna be really interesting video for sure. So yeah, stay tuned, piece by piece, taking it out, and need to clean it a little bit more. So yeah, so taking this out, this is 14, as you can see over here, 14. You just need to unscrew it a little bit, and then with fingers. So all 4 of these, and then you have this 14 as well, and this one is a little bit different. So yeah, unscrew it. So unscrew these all 4, take it out. So see, still have some diesel in them. That's a good sign. So yeah, and this one, it's a bigger one. So this one is a 19 for the pump, and after that you can take this out. And this sensor does fail sometimes, not always, but yeah, this one does fail. So taking out, I mean, there is already some rust on them, and we're gonna check out if you can turn the injectors. It's not, sometimes they get stuck, and then you have problems. All the mechanics, I believe, can relate to that. It was big problem on 1.6 the Continental injectors, but these should be okay. So let's see. Right. So basically now take the bolts out, take the, as you can see, so far so good, but the biggest question is if you can turn the injectors around or not. So that's gonna be the biggest question. So take out the lines. You need to be extra careful with this. These break crazy. So basically you just need to be really careful with these. You don't want to break, but yeah. So I'm gonna clean this a little bit up, and then we're gonna try to turn, the injectors. So let's clean up. So let's try our luck. Oh, this is a good sign. Good sign, really good sign. Yes, I'm happy with that. Oh, it's gonna be a little bit harder, but possible. Nice. Yeah, it's gonna go out. So that's nice. That's really nice. So finishing off from the start. Let's check out how it's look. Might be even good, but probably not. So let's see. Other one. Oh, this one is really bad. Yeah. See this one. This has some oil. This kinda interesting why it has so much oil, but okay. This one is kinda the worst, but it was expected. Let's see inside. Yeah, interesting. So these are out. I have few things to take out. One of those things, and it's kinda crazy to me. Look at this. Look how much sand you have behind this. Crazy. That's just crazy. But yeah, this is what you get when you get a flooded car. So stay tuned for part 2. This part 1. Part 2 we're gonna take everything else off. We're gonna see the timing belt, how it looks like, and then we're gonna tear inside the engine to see what and how much of the sand we can find in this engine. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, follow, share the video, and stay tuned for part 2. So part 2 is coming soon. Thank you for watching and see you in next one.